Good morning! So, this is our day 2 here in Thailand. I'm with Mams. Yan. So, it's 7 a.m. here. So, we're looking for a place for breakfast. So, yan. Maybe we're looking for a cafe or something to eat na light or heavy or for breakfast. So for today, ang itinerary namin, you'll find out. So, stay tuned! So, ito yung nakita namin kakainan dito. I don't know what's the name of the restaurant. Wala. Pero basically, roasted ducks. Ayan. So, we're gonna be trying out roasted duck with rice. The name of the restaurant is One Star Roast Duck Restaurant. Alright, so ito na yung in-order namin dito. Yan, roasted duck with rice. Tapos meron silang free cha dito. Yan, so they provided cup with ice. Let's pour some. Sarap yung yung roasted duck. Tapos, okay siya with the luya. Kasi, mababalance out niya yung lasa ng duck. May I have coffee, please? Okay, so after eating doon sa site na yon, dito naman kami ngayon sa Architect Coffee. Sobrang halos tapat lang siya ng hotel natin. Although dito, when you order, hindi siya pwedeng i-dine. So, it's always to go. These are the available drinks. Yan. So, they have coffee, juice, and tea. Hello! Diba? Sobrang friendly ni ate. She's already preparing our coffee. Here's my coffee. So I ordered caramel macchiato. Oh, sweet. Thank you. This is for us. Thank you. So meron tayong nakuhang free, what's this, brownie? Yeah, so let's taste it. Parang siyang brown. Chocolate. Meron din pala silang mga pastry. Brownie. Hindi pala. Parang lang. Parang freebie lang talaga nila. It's good. Thank you. Good morning. So, nandito na yung aming van service. Ayan. Para sa aming city tour dito sa Bangkok. So, this is our day 2. And stay tuned kung saan kami pupunta for today's video. Alright, so nandito na kami sa aming first destination, ang Wat Arun. Hey guys, so nandito pa rin tayo sa Wat Arun. So ito yung main stupa niya, dito sa gitna. Ayan, dito tayo sa may gilid. Siyempre, kasama pa rin natin ang ating mga memshies at si Fresh. So we have few more minutes to stay here and then our next destination is Grand Palace. So yeah. Stay tuned for more of Bangkok. Alright, so tapos na kami dito sa Wat Arun. Sobrang init. Hirap mag-picture pero sobrang ganda nitong stupa na to. So, worth the visit. May mga rental costume din pala dito. Yan. So, usually 100 baht siya. So, if you want to be on national national costume, so pwede para sa photos. So, nandito na yung van service namin. We're going to our next destination. So, Grand Palace po. So, here we go. Ayan, so I decided to join my two friends here. So, hindi na ako nag-Grand Palace. Pupunta kami sa, ayan, sa VV Coffee Place. So, nakapunta na kasi ako sa Grand Palace before and sobrang luwag niya, mainit. So, let's go! Alright, shout out to Chef RV Manabat. So, thank you for the vlog. Nakita namin to sa vlog mo, so we're trying this out. So, we'll see. And so, 10 to 8. Sobrang aesthetic ng place. So, ang ganda rin kasi no location niya. So, the cafe is by the river. Ayan. So, let's tour around the cafe. And this is your view. So this is our order. Say hi. Yan. Essential. Okay, so I ordered mango crepe. Sobrang sarap niya. When you're here, try considering ordering this. Creamy, that's good. So, highly recommend it. And one more thing about this place, maganda yung view niya kasi by the river and overlooking our view. Yan, ito siya. And ito yung Royal Family Headquarters. Okay, so nakalista kami ng VV. Yung area pala na to, puro cafe. So you guys wanna check this out. So may mga restaurants din. So really good for some food trip near the river. Hello! So nandito na kami sa Wat Pho. Ayan, yung mga kasama namin nasa Grand Palace pa sila. And then dito na nila kami i-meet. Okay, we're supposed to eat sana muna sa Supaniga. Pero fully booked. So, nakahanap naman kami ng isa pang Michelin restaurant, yung katabi. I forgot the name of the restaurant. Promos. So, pero 2 PM pa yung available. So, instead na kumain muna, so dito muna kami sa Wat Pho. And then, sa kami kakain after here. Yan, may self-service ticket kiosk sila. Heyo! So, nandito na kami ngayon sa Wat Pho. Sobrang luwang niya. Ang daming good spots, of course, for some photos. Pero, we have to appreciate the beauty and yung mga design ng stupa sobrang. Okay, So after hopping ng mga mini temple sa loob, so nandito na tayo sa recliner dito. So ito yung entrance. So we have to take off our shoes para makapasok. Huwag tayo malalagyan ng sapatos. And so this is the entrance to the reclining Buddha. So bawal yung shoes, yung cap, and of course make sure you are in proper clothing before you enter this sacred place. And we are done here sa Wat Pho. We are now waiting for our van and we're gonna have lunch. And so everyone is enjoying their meal kasi it's really good. So this is also a Michelin restaurant, so it's also a highly recommended one. They also have rooftop here, but it's not really good during the day because it's really hot, but it's good for sightseeing. Ito yung Supaniga, dito dapat kayo magla-lunch ka, so fully booked na sila. So dito kami kumain sa may Rongros. It's also a Michelin restaurant, so highly recommended. Hey guys, so after lunch, pumunta kami dito sa Orphanage. Yan, Orphanage. Para bumili ng mango sticky rice. So this is also a Michelin restaurant. Look at the mangoes they are selling. Hello. Yan. Okay, so sobrang sikat din ito for sticky rice, so better check this out. And as you can see, ayan, consistent din silang Michelin rated. So highly recommended talaga. Hey, what's up? So bumalik kami dito sa hotel to rest for a bit. So ito na yung binili nating sticky rice. So let's try. No, it's good. Okay, so naka-freshen up na kami for today. So back to tour. Okay, so we decided to walk. Go na. Kung kailan naman nag-decide kaming lumakad, saka nag-go. Pero it's been 30 minutes. So, maglalakad-lakad papunta lang Mahanakoy. Okay, ito na yung building. Doon kami pupunta sa taas. Hindi na kami umabot sa admission time. May cut-off pala ng 5:30 ba? Or 3? So, wala. Enjoy na lang tayo. Look for a water kasi sobrang kami. So, ito yung building. So dyan sa taas na tayo pupunta. The ticket though can still be used tomorrow. So babalik na lang kami bukas para sa Skywalk. So for now, so maybe magka-cafe, I don't know. So stay tuned. What's gonna be next for us? So we're here na sa Jods Fair. Is it Jods or Jods? Jods Fest. So, street food. Para siyang merkato. So, food trip lang tayo. Welcome to Jod Fair. So, para siyang ang merkato. Sobrang luwag. Okay, so ang gagawin natin dito, food trips. Right timing na for dinner. So, dito tayo mag-dinner. So, we will try a lot of food, Thai food. Marami ring merchandise dito. So, hindi lang naman food. You can also go shopping for souvenirs. So, there's a lot of things that you can do here sa Jod Fair. Okay, so dahil first time natin ang kinuha ko ay yung classic lang, salted egg lava. So ito yung inside niya. Yeah. Very salted egg talaga. Oh. This is good. Try na rin to guys when you're here. Okay. Yeah, so nag-order din kami dito. So, yan. Beef grill. Alright, so ito na yung order natin. Grilled beef. So, let's try this. Sarap. Good. Medyo manghang lang. So, pero pwede nyo namang, may option naman kayo na less spicy. Okay, so mas okay kung pupunta kayo dito on an empty stomach para maraming room to try food. And make sure na i-try nyo muna yung mga small bites, ganyan. Para mas marami tayong makain. Ayan nga, buhay pa yung shrimp. Try natin yung ano, parang jumping sana. May katalong pa dyan. Ano, buhay pa sila. Ay! Ay! It's jumping. Sarap. Sarap. Sobrang fresh mo. Fresh talaga. Oh, yeah. It's good, it's good. Manghang lang. Pwede mo ma-share. Sarap ba? Manghang lang.
Hindi to malansa?
Hindi, hindi. Now for dinner, let's try this very famous food dito sa Jod Fairs, ang Leng Zab. So this is basically pork spine in spicy soup. Sobrang anghang. After dinner, of course, dessert. Harap. Try this one, guys. And some takeaway before going back to hotel. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, hit like and then comment down below. Please subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell. See ya!